If you're experiencing frame stuttering in Elden Ring, there are several steps you can take to improve your gaming experience. Follow these steps to help resolve the issue. Step 1. Update graphics drivers. Ensure that your graphics card drivers are up to date. Visit the official website of your GPU manufacturer, NVIDIA, AMD, or Intel and download the latest drivers for your graphics card. Step 2. Adjust in-game settings. Lower the graphics settings in Elden Ring. Access the game's graphics options and reduce settings such as resolution, texture quality, and shadow quality to see if performance improves. Step 3. Disable background applications. Close any unnecessary applications running in the background. Programs like web browsers, streaming services, or other games can consume system resources and affect performance. Step 4. Check for system overheating. Monitor your system's temperature to ensure it is not overheating. Clean your PC components, ensure proper airflow, and consider using cooling pads if you're on a laptop. Step 5. Verify game files. If you're playing on a platform like Steam, verify the integrity of the game files. This can help fix any corrupted files that may be causing performance issues. Right-click on the game in your library, go to Properties, and select the option to verify files. By following these steps, you should be able to reduce frame stuttering and enhance your gameplay experience in Elden Ring. Enjoy your adventure.